burning up the music, Billboard charts and everything.
She is hot, and here she is performing Every Time We Touch. Please welcome Cascada.
To me, I voice, in my dream. Forgive me my weakness, but I don't know why. Without you, it's hard to survive. 'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. 'Cause every time we touch, I feel the static, and every time we kiss, I reach for the sky. Can't you hear my heart beat? So I can't let you go. Want you in my life. Come on, boys. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, oh. Every time. Oh, hey, yeah. Ooh. Come on, let's go. Every time we touch, your arms are my castle, your heart is my sky. They wipe away tears that I cried. The good and the bad times, we've been through them all. You make me rise when I fall. 'Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling, and every time we kiss, I swear I could fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side. 'Cause every time we touch, I feel the static, and every time we kiss, I reach for the sky. Can't you hear my heart beat? So I can't let you go. Want you in my life.
More with Cascada when live returns in a moment.
The CD is Every Time We Touch. This is their first appearance in America. She is British, but the whole born in Germany, and the whole team is from Germany, and they're on tour in the United States.
Great spring break song.
Yeah, it really is. So good luck to you, Cascada.
Thank you
Guys very much. You were great. And you were great too, miss.
Thank you. Thanks, everybody.
Yes, sir. She was just wonderful. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.